The Tesla and SpaceX founder passed Amazon's CEO Jeff Bezos on the Bloomberg Billionaires Index to become the richest person in the world on Thursday morning, as a 4.8% rise in Tesla shares pushed Musk's fortune to $188.5 billion at 10:15 a.m. Eastern, which is $1.5 billion more than Bezos's $187 billion. Indeed, the outspoken entrepreneur has been on quite a ride over the past year, as his net worth has skyrocketed by more than $150 billion in what might be the fastest rise in wealth creation in history. In this video, we're going to break down how Elon Musk was able to become the richest person in the world and answer whether Tesla stock is still a buy in the end. Stay tuned for that. One quick reminder before we dive deeper into the topic. Videos like this take a lot of effort to research and produce. Please consider subscribing as it helps us out a ton. We're providing this free content every single week for you. All you have to do is subscribing to don't miss future stock news, advice, and much more. Thanks a lot. So a year ago, Musk was worth about $27 billion, and barely cracked Bloomberg's list of the 50 richest people. But Tesla saw its shares spike more than 700% last year, and the company joined the S&P 500 in December following 5 quarters of positive earnings. Meanwhile, RBC Capital Markets analyst Joseph Spack admitted he had it all wrong on Tesla stock and upgraded it to sector perform on Thursday, acting as a very positive catalyst for the Tesla stock. Spack held a sell equivalent rating of underperforming for Tesla since 2019. The stock has since soared nearly 1,200%. He says in a note to clients that his biggest mistake was underestimating how TSLA can take advantage of its stock price to raise capital inexpensively and fund capacity outlays and growth. Tesla raised approximately $12 billion over 3 rounds of secondary stock offerings in 2020, with its cash balance likely close to $20 billion. This shows how easily TSLA can fund future growth or acquisitions, whereas traditional OEMs need to generate significant cash from existing operations to fund their transition to electrification, Spack said. Spack also raised his price target on Tesla stock to $700 from $339 and lifted his estimates for 2025 deliveries from 1.3 million to 1.7 million. So after hearing all this good stuff about Tesla stock, you're probably asking yourself whether you should buy into Tesla stock as well. Let's take a look at that, and if you want to, you can also watch our last video, in which analyzed Tesla more in depth to better predict Tesla's performance in 2021. Well, is Tesla a buy then? It's extremely hard to tell. Of course, the company's growth is impressive, and it has proved that electric vehicles can be a viable product long term. But without regulatory credits, the company still isn't profitable. Meanwhile, over a dozen competitors are building compelling electric vehicle offerings that will be coming to market over the next few years. This competition will be more compelling than anything Tesla has faced in the past and may mean not only less demand for Tesla's cars, but also fewer regulatory credits needed by competitors. Given all the pressure coming Tesla's way, investors should definitely be careful buying after 2020's incredible run. So watch your position size and be ready for a possible correction. Alright, with that being it for today's video, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video and want to support our mission of providing free financial information to everyone here on YouTube, please ensure you're subscribed and definitely consider leaving a like. As mentioned before, it really means the world to us.